Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Hey there, young artists. Welcome to our teapot drawing adventure. Today, we're going to draw a magical teapot together. Are you ready? Let's go. To begin, draw the lid as a circle on top. And don't forget to add a cute little button on the lid too. How fun! Next, draw a big, round shape like a chubby pancake. This will be the teapot's body. Don't worry about it being perfect, just have fun. And after, draw a small base for teapot. We will draw 2 lines on teapot for design. Now, let's draw the spout. It looks like a tilted letter L. And on the other side, draw a handle like a big, curling C. Great job, everyone! You're doing awesome! Draw a big eyebrow. Now, let's give our teapot some eyes. And a big smile. It's a happy teapot. Time to color. You can use any colors you like. Make it as colorful and magical as you want. It's your teapot, after all. I am using yellow color in some space. And in remain space we will use green color. First, we will do yellow color work. What color are you using in teapot? Now, it's time to add green color in remain space. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Let your imagination run wild. Look, our tea has eyes and it's blinking. Did you like this teapot? Oh great! Look at your incredible teapots, artists! You did an amazing job! Keep drawing, keep creating, and never stop having fun with art! Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.